You probably clicked on this video because you want a quick way to make money. And I hate to break it to you, but you will never live in a world where that is possible.
The first line was great. And the second line, not so great. I don't know what was his motivation to say something horrible like this in the second line of the video and expect the video would be a hit. And yet, in 2 days, this video got 41,000 views. In fact, this man has 1 million subscribers. Probably being brutally honest is one of the reasons this man was able to attract so many subscribers and followers.
There will never, ever, ever be a time when you can just tell a bunch of robots to go and make you money and you can sit back with your same poor habits that you don't want to change and do nothing. Not how it works.
So what are the poor habits, my friend? Well, that's a 28-minute long video. Who has time for that? It's 2025, the year of the AI. I would put AI to work for me. And here I am. I already analyzed the video and I got every single thing described in the video. But the fact that the most of the video is basically a man in a black hoodie speaking on the camera. I was curious to know why he even made this video. How is he even making money? And I have the answers right here and I'm gonna break it down to you. By the way, is there anyone stopping you from smashing the like button? If not, gently smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family, because the only reason we make these videos is to help wonderful people just like you. And when you like this video, share with your friends and family and watch the full video and even comment with questions or your thoughts. YouTube will pick this video up as an important video and show it to more and more people. More people will get the benefit of this content, and inshallah you will get a part of the blessing. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we need your help. Please consider subscribing to our channel, because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And it's only possible if you start it. And when you share this video with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button as well. We will be extremely thankful to you. And when you switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next one. Who knows, maybe the next video is the ultimate missing piece that can take you from where you are to your goal. I'll give you a second for like, share, subscribe, and let's go back to the video. So no matter what the guru says, you will learn exactly how the guru is making money. So stay tuned.
Reality is, AI hasn't changed a thing. You still need traffic, you still need content, you still need promotions, you still need a valuable offer, you still need a customer avatar, you still need a landing page, you still need copywriting. And of course,
yeah, that's true. But when I say learning has become extremely easy, we don't even need to do research to learn anything using Google like we used to do in the past. And in fact, Google is almost dead. Look at this right here. But wait, context first. Here is something new.
This is a leaked email from the CEO of Shopify and a detail.
Shopify, a $103 billion company. The email is from Shopify CEO to the employees.
Details just how fast things are changing in the world of business and how we work. And I want you to pay attention to a few things here, because I think every company is going to adopt something similar in the next few years. Number one is that using AI effectively is now a fundamental expectation for every Shopify employee. I've been saying this for a few years in this channel. Like, AI is not going to take your job, but somebody who knows how to use it just might. Number two, every team at Shopify has to answer what it might look like if AI agents were part of the team. Now, this is an important reframe. Agents will be treated like teammates and not tools. And number three, every software developer will be AI assisted. It is now a core layer of the software stack. You can no longer be competitive without it, and I think this will increasingly apply to design, marketing, finance, you name it. And number four, every employee must share what they learn, which makes sense. Knowledge is wealth.
So we got the point. This video was basically a news video about an email sent by a $103 billion company CEO to the employees. Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. I just don't want to believe everything a content creator says. So I came to Perplexity AI. This is the AI version of the latest search engine. This kind of platform will exist after Google is completely dead in a couple of months to couple of years, maybe maximum 10 years. And I asked this, what's in the email of Shopify CEO to employees about learning AI? But here is a trick. I don't do anything that doesn't bring me one thing. That one thing makes me money. I'll come back to that. But in order to achieve that one thing, I wrote something additional in the prompt. I said, answer with bullet points, text highlights, and proper formatting. Use 6th graders reading level and use tables and ratings out of 5 to structure the answer better. And I got the complete answer. Look at this. The key points from the memo. AI as a baseline expectation, performance, and peer reviews. Now, did you notice after every sentence, there is a link to the reference? Google doesn't provide you that. So people are stopping to use Google more and more. Cultural shift, prototyping with AI, consequences of non-adoption. And guess what? AI made us a table to understand all the aspects and the importance of each aspect with the ratings out of 5. So AI as a core skill has 5 out of 5 star rating. Another one, cultural shift, aims to make AI usage second nature across the company. So do you understand where the big companies are moving toward? That's not all. In order to stress urgency, they may pressure employees resistant to change. So even if you are at 9 to 5, they are making you use AI and it's not going to be an option.
Of course, you still need to understand all of those things so that you can orchestrate them all together. So no, this video isn't about some fancy new AI business model that absolves you from.
That is sad. How dare you say something like this, my friend? I mean, my viewers want to make $1 billion yesterday without even knowing how to make money. And you are saying it is not fancy?
From learning every principle of business. The only thing that AI has changed is the speed at which you can get things done. But
that's 100% correct. I agree. Let's look at this example and it's crazy. This is a thumbnail of a YouTube video. It went really well, so I wanted to model this thumbnail. So just to have fun, I uploaded my selfie and asked ChatGPT, replace the guy on the YouTube thumbnail with the second Muslim guy. Are you ready for what we received? Ta-da! I mean, what? Every other thing is exactly the same. The guy doesn't 100% look like me, but look at the accuracy of the work. Look at the text here and text here. Look at the robot. Look at the robot here. Look at the chair he is sitting on. And look at the chair. Don't say I am fat. You must accept I look younger and thinner. And this guy looks like 10 years older than me and at least 10 kilos heavier than me. However, did you see where we are now? This is the world of AI. With just one sentence prompt, a thumbnail is made.
But here's the cool part. I enjoy writing content and books. Like actually my new book, very small, very short. It feels good in the hand.
Thank you very much. I'm not buying any book now because I write book and make money. Carry on.
But that's what I spend my time doing. I like writing content. I like writing newsletters. I like writing books. That's what I want to do.
But my viewers don't want to write. So do you have any solution for that?
Differentiator in a lot of cases is my ideas and my perspectives. People tell me that I'm great.
We understand you are great, my friend. Can we move to the money part? And if you take too much time, then I have to show how to make money from books. Book is a digital product. Here is the book funnel. We made $17,000 from selling a $5 book. And we made another $2,000 selling the same book. But what you don't know is we total made over $35,000 from these book sales. That one thing makes money.
At illustrating ideas, but I'm not that good at tutorials, even though this video is a tutorial, so I'll do my best. I do not, however, enjoy marketing. I don't like doing market research. I don't like generating headline ideas.
That's great because no one likes marketing and sales, but everyone likes to show how big they are, how big authority they are, how big influencer they are. And the way to do is creating content. And he does that very well.
I don't like writing the lead. I don't like formulating the features and benefits and testimonials and all of that stuff.
But here is a big fat but. Go to his description and click the first link. You will visit this page. It's some kind of AI stuff. If you go down below, you'll see a video, you'll see image, GIFs, text, copies. And here we go, testimonials. What is this, my friend? You just said you don't like to do this. He's not wrong because he didn't write that. AI wrote it for him. He just instructed AI to do it for him. And that's also exactly what we have done here. We put the context and asked AI to write the book for us. Then we asked AI to write the sales copy for us. Then we asked AI to design the sales sales page for us. Then we asked AI to write ad copies for us. But this guy is trying to teach in his video is a 5-step system called Brain. Although in his system, money is here, but I can tell you, you will start making money from the 3rd step. So that's pretty fast. Step number 1B, brand yourself. This Habibi makes videos with his face on the camera and he talks a lot and he is highly charismatic. When you start watching his videos, you'll keep watching and you will want to watch more. That's why he has over 1 million subscribers. Don't worry, making that kind of complicated videos with face is not required. Look at this page on TikTok. Almost 100% of the videos, all the videos are basically reaction video. Somebody made some content and the page owner simply reacts on those contents. If you go to my TikTok page or Instagram page, you will see me doing the same thing. This is one of the biggest shortcuts. Make content and get that one thing. The one thing that will make you money. So in order to brand yourself, you don't need to show your face really. All you need to do is to add value to your viewer.
How to make $1 million in general. Now I'm just throwing $1 million out there as a term that people love to click on videos for, but the reality is most people's lives would be changed if AI could make them $50,000 or $100,000 or anywhere between that. 1 million is just like clickbait. So let's break down a realistic path to get to $1 million a year. $1 million divided by 12 is $83,333 per month. That divided by 30, so a month, is $2,777 per day.
We are going towards money, but before that, we need a robot assistant. Here is a perfect example. We have trained a custom AI agent to analyze any video and turn it into a step-by-step tutorial, bite-sized and easy for 6th graders. So I can understand it, you can understand it, and even my 6th grader son understands. All I need to do is to put the transcript of a video and boom, I know everything what's inside. And in order to make that $1 million in 1 year and basically make $2,777 per day, we will go and attract attention. An example would be better. In this Warrior Plus account, we paid over $2.6 million to our affiliates for promoting our products and generating sales. Commission and sales wouldn't be possible without this one thing. It's called hops. More precisely, these are the people who checked our products and some of them purchased. So this is the number of visitors or traffic our affiliates send to our product in order to make sales and earn commission. So where is the money? Money is in attracting attention by the people. Attracting attention by the people. All the money is in getting attention. Whether you show face or not, whether you just do reaction video. I make reaction videos all day long. And from one single video, one single upload, I got 24,881 followers to this Instagram account. So basically, most of my 193,000 followers came from handful of videos published multiple times over and over again. Of course, other videos worked as well, but a few videos pulled the trigger. So what did we do to get the attention of people? We use AI every single day and we learn new skills and knowledge fast. I have shared multiple ways of using AI, getting results, and then we share our experience of using AI and the lesson we learned from using AI and turn this information into short form videos, 30 to 60 seconds long video. Then we upload those tiny videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms send us visitors and these visitors buy from us. When they buy, we make money and our affiliates earn commission, but we don't stop there. We send our viewers to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf, so we don't have to. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And there is a reason why our beginner students love our program. It's because our program is 99% done for you. Okay, Mosh, so show me something how to make $2,777 per day so I can also become a millionaire. Your answers are in the same old ugly screenshots, my friend. If you look at this account, every visitor has a value for every different funnel. For this funnel is 66 cents. So every visitor that visits our sales funnel make us 66 cents. Another funnel makes us $5.53. Another funnel make us $8. Another funnel make us $6.90. On the average from this account, we earn $3.90 when any visitor visits our product. Some will buy, some will not, but end of the day, we make average $3.90 from our visit. So all we need to do is generate visitors to our funnel, generate traffic to our product. Some will buy, some will not. We will make money anyway. So if every visitor is $3.90, in order to make $2,777 per day, we simply need to send 712 visitors to our funnel every single day. And we do that and we make money. Mosh, can you remind me how to generate those visitors? Right here, we make videos, short form videos using AI and what we learn using AI. Like this video if you liked. Like this video, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and please, please, please help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. We cannot do it without your help. Subscribe to our channel and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. Make sure you ask them to switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube can send you a notification every time we upload a new video. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.